very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So, students, let's start our English class. Well, in our last class, we had completed the term 1 portion of our English main course Glitter. And from today onwards, we'll start English grammar. So, take out your English grammar book, which you have, and open page number 54, chapter 12. Pronoun. Friends, I hope you all can see the screen over here. Chapter 12, pronoun. Deepika, please off your mic. Deepika, please off your mic. Now, let's start this chapter, pronoun. Anybody can tell me what is pronoun? And with example, any of you? Yes, Mansi.
Ma'am, is a word that is used in a place of a noun.
Can you please tell me the example also?
Okay, ma'am. Rita is a good student. Rita completes her homework.
You are reading, I think, from the book. Do not read book. If you know what is pronoun, with example, then tell me. Because I told you so many times in your earlier classes also. Yes, Srishti?
Ma'am, just like he is a good boy. He completes his homework every day.
So, which is pronoun here? Which word is pronoun?
Ma'am, he.
Why he?
Ma'am, because it when we use a name, firstly that we can use his name, just like his name is Rohan, so we can say Rohan completes his homework every day. In place of Rohan, we use he.
Yes. Yes, Sarthak. Yes, Sarthak.
Rohit is good boy. He is very sincere.
Wait. Well, your answer is a little bit correct. As Srishti told us right now, that was correct actually. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which we use in place of noun. Understand? Pronoun is a type of word which we use in place of noun. Some of the pronouns names are he, she, it, they, we. These are क्या है? These all are pronouns which we use instead of noun. Like Srishti just tell क्या बताया सृष्टि ने that I don't remember that, but let me tell you another sentence. Like some sentence is written here. One sentence is written here. Rita is a good student. So in place of Rita, we can use she is a good student. Rita completes her homework every day. In place of Rita, we can use she. She completes her homework every day. Rita has many friends. She has many friends. Rita also dances well. She also dances well. Understand? In place of Rita, as you can see here, she is written SHE she. She is a pronoun. Here you can see types of pronoun: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative, reflexive, emphatic, and possessive pronoun. These are the types of pronoun. Now, first of all, let's start with personal pronoun. Pronoun which are used in place of noun, the name of person, place, animal, thing. The name of किसी भी चीज के, किसी भी person, किसी भी animal के name of. If we are using any word, then those words are called personal pronoun. Like the book is lying on the table, pick it up. So it. Here you can see the word it is pronoun. We are using it in place of book. first person. Three form of persons are there. Personal pronouns are there. First person, second person, and third person. I is first person. You, second person. Third person is he, she, it, they. Whoever we are talking about, we both are talking about the third person. That is called the third person, which is he, she, it, they. As you can see here, I, we are pronouns of first person. You is a pronoun of second person. He, she, it, they are pronoun of third person. He will go, singular pronoun. They will go, plural pronoun. I think I told you all these things in our earlier classes. We already studied this. First person, I, me, singular, and gender is common, and plural, we or us. The plural of I, me is we or us. Next is second person, you, plural is you. Third person, he, him, she, her, it. Male, this is female, and it is neutral gender. And the plural for these words are they and them. Have you completed this exercise?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you will completed this exercise in earlier classes.
Yes, ma'am. We have to complete page number 58. Reflect.
Yes, I had already completed this exercise in that class. But let me revise this once again. They are good in studies like him. They is which person? We have to write underline the personal pronoun. We have to underline the personal pronoun, and we have to tell the person. Which person is this?
Person.
They is third person. Next, they is third person and him is third person. Sonia has gone to the market with her. Which person?
Ma'am, second person.
Sonia has gone to the market with her. First person or second person? They and him are. They and him are third person. They both are third person. Okay. Her means we are not talking about second person is you. But always second person is you, your. I, we is first person. And third person is he, she, it, they, her, him. They all are third person. So here her is also third person. I live with him in a village. I and them.
Ma'am, first person.
Ma'am, I is first person. Ma'am, third person.
Yes. I is first person. And them is third person. You should not worry about him. You.
Ma'am, you is second person.
Ma'am, you is second person. Ma'am, him is third person.
Yes, you is second person. And him is. Please off your mic. Some conversation on your side. Mic is on. Please off your mic. Please off your mic. Whose mic is on? Please off your mic.
Ma'am,
Deepika, off your mic. Arav, off your mic. Please. Now, I hope that you all can do this rest of the exercise. Move to the next one. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronoun. Shubh and Manoj are friends. They live in Chandigarh.
Ma'am, they.
Yes, I think this exercise also we had completed in our last class.
Yes, ma'am, we have completed
Yes.
this exercise.
Have you all completed or not? Ved, have you completed?
Ma'am, we have completed.
Ved, have you completed this exercise? D. You are not audible. Pratyanshu, have you completed this exercise?
Ma'am, in which page number?
You are still searching for page number 56.
Ma'am, 56.
Now, we had completed this exercise in our last class. Have you completed? Arav?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that you all have completed. Move to the next one, which is demonstrative pronoun. Here you can see what is demonstrative pronoun. This, that, those, these. It stands for, they all stands for demonstrative pronoun. They are demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point out the object or object which is to refer. Which is to refer. Any object, we use this pronoun. It's called Pratyanshu, my demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those are used as demonstrative adjective. This pen has blue ink, demonstrative adjective. Since it qualifies noun is pen, which is telling about the pen. This is a pen that has blue ink, demonstrative pronoun. Since it stands for the noun pronoun, pen. Again, this. The demonstrative adjective is placed before the noun. Demonstrative adjective is placed before the noun. A demonstrative pronoun is usually placed before a verb. Demonstrative pronoun is always, most of the time, placed before the verb. Interrogative pronoun. Who has come to meet me? What is the matter? Whom do you want to meet? Which is your book? In these sentences, the words who, what, whom, and which are pronoun. All the question words which are given here are pronoun. Interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Which, what are also used as interrogative adjective. Which pen is yours? Interrogative adjective, since it qualifies the noun pen. This is here, which is interrogative adjective. Which is your pen? This is interrogative pronoun. Since it stands for the noun pen. Which is your pen? Here, which is telling about the pen. Understand? In place of pen, we are using which. Which is your pen? Which one is your pen? Which pen is yours? Here we are talking about interrogative adjective because it qualifies the noun pen. An interrogative adjective is placed before a noun. An interrogative pronoun is placed before a verb. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object of the verb is also the subject of the verb. Example, I have myself. It is the object of the verb help. Myself and I stands for the same person. So the object is also the subject. They hurt themselves during the game. So it is the object of the verb hurt themselves. Themselves and they stand for the same person. So the object is also the subject. Myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and themselves are reflexive pronouns. Mansi, the emphatic pronoun is used with a noun or pronoun to draw attention or just to emphasize. I myself solved the problem. Myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself are some emphatic pronouns. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns always end in self or selves. Understand? Read the table given below to understand more about reflexive pronoun. Singular number is first person is I, second is you, and third is he, she, it. Reflexive pronoun: myself, you, yourself, he, she, it, himself, herself, and itself. Plural is you, we, you, they, and reflexive pronoun is ourself for we, and you for yourself, and they for themselves. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive or emphatic pronoun. Let's start completing this exercise. Exercise number C. I helped myself. Suhana organized the party herself. They helped themselves. I myself managed the show. You should go yourself. You should go yourself and look for the lost puppy. I hope you have done this exercise. Move to the next exercise number D. Circle the pronoun in the following sentences and write whether they are personal, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, and emphatic. Ved, on your camera, please. He himself is the best judge. So here we have to find out that whether this is personal, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, or emphatic. Which type of pronoun is this? So here you can just write, yes, P for personal pronoun, demonstrative. You just have to write complete. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Whatever the answer is. So let me tell you the answer as well, so that it will be easier for you all to complete this exercise. Here, circle the pronoun in the following sentence. Write whether they are personal, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive. So here we'll just circle the pronoun, which is the first one is he. And this is, which pronoun is this? Personal pronoun. I hope you all have done. Move to the next one. Pratyanshu, on your camera. I think your network is slow. Srishti, that's why this problem is occurring. Next is, this pen belongs to him. Here, him. Circle him. Which type of pronoun is this? Again, personal. We helped him with the work. Here, we and him.
Ma'am, personal.
We and him. Which is personal? Both are personal.
Ma'am, he.
We and him. Two pronouns are there. Na? So you have to tell me that which is personal pronoun. Both,
Ma'am, him.
both are personal or anyone.
Ma'am, him is personal pronoun.
And we, actually both are personal. We and him both are personal pronouns. That is the part I was talking about. That is which type of pronoun? That is, it is indicating.
Personal.
It is not personal. That is not personal. It is indicating. It is pointing out path. That is the path. So here that is demonstrative. Here that is demonstrative pronoun. Who is the captain?
Ma'am,
Who is the captain of the team?
I.
Who? No, we just have to take care about one. Okay. Who?
Ma'am, questionative pronoun.
Ma'am, interrogative pronoun.
What is question?
Ma'am.
Pratyanshu? It's
Ma'am, interrogative.
Ma'am, because he is asking who is the captain. So,
so questionative. What is questionative? Questionative is not the right
ma'am,
word.
sorry, ma'am,
It's
I doesn't remember.
it's interrogative, and I doesn't is not the right word. I don't remember that. You have to know that where we have to use do and where we have to use does. That's also an important point. Take care in your conversation. Next is who is interrogative. Interrogative. I did
Ma'am,
work myself.
I.
Which pronoun is this?
Ma'am, proper.
Ma'am, it is
Personal pronoun. Personal.
yes, ma'am.
What is this? Which pronoun is this? I, they, I'm just circling. You have to write down. These. Which pronoun is these? Yes, Sarah?
Ma'am, it is I. Ma'am, I one no.
I is personal. They is personal. These. Which pronoun is these?
Ma'am, these.
I is
These are.
they is personal. These is demonstrative pronoun.
Ma'am, and they, those are also demonstrating pronouns. So,
Demonstrative. We is personal. Understand? Write down. Move to the next exercise.
Ma'am,
Possessive pronoun. Yes, Kar.
ma'am, what is first answer?
First. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer of the first I told you, na, he. He is personal pronoun. Obviously, I told this. अभी बताया था. This is personal pronoun. Next, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns show ownership. We don't use apostrophe to use possession. The possessive pronouns are mine, his, theirs, ours, yours, and hers. Possessive pronoun, in possessive pronoun, we don't use in possession. We don't use apostrophe. Like the book belongs to me, the book is mine. We are not using apostrophe. The bike belongs to me, the bike is yours. The bike belongs to you, the bike is yours. The red handbook belongs to her, the red handbook is hers, theirs, ours, his. They all are possessive pronoun. First person is mine, its plural is ours. Second person is yours, plural is yours. Third person is his and hers, and plural is theirs. The pronoun it does not have any possessive pronoun. Its is always used as possessive pronoun. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronoun. These crayons belongs to me. These crayons are mine. These clips belong to her. These clips are. Who can tell me?
Ma'am, hers. Ma'am, these clips are hers.
Hers. H-E-R-S. Next, this house belongs to him. This house is His.
Him.
Yes. The horse belongs to them. The horse is theirs. Question number 4. You must learn to keep your things neatly. The things are yours. These cows belongs to us. These cows are ours.
Our.
Ours.
Ours. Next. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now let's find out possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. My, their, our, your, her and its are possessive adjective. Understand? My, their, our, your, her and its. The all words are possessive adjective. This is my pencil. Those are your apples. In the sentence given above are my and your. They all are used before noun, which is pencil and apple. Pencil and apple are noun, and the word my and your are using before the. We are using before the noun. Difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. What is the difference? Difference is the possessive adjective is always used with a noun and it also qualifies that noun. Like my dress is in the cupboard. My is possessive adjective, which we are using before noun. Noun is dress here. Possessive pronouns comes after noun. Possessive pronoun always comes after noun. As you can see, the dress is mine. So here mine is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun mine. Possessive adjective is my, our, ours, our, yours, your, his is his, same. Hers, her, theirs, their, and its. His is used both as possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. This is his medal, possessive adjective. This medal is his, possessive pronoun. State whether the underlined words are possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. My and his. My is coming before noun. Sorry, his. Here book is noun and my is the word which is coming before the noun. So my is possessive adjective. Yes, and here his is possessive pronoun. Understand? Here my is possessive adjective. You have to complete all these exercises on your grammar notebook. Understand? Yes. Possessive adjective. And here his is possessive pronoun. Understand? I'm writing like this, but you have to write full form and you have to write on your notebook. Complete this exercise on your notebook.
Ma'am.
This is her house. Yes.
Ma'am, our computer syllabus is done.
I think it's done, and one chapter I think is left. If it is left, then we can complete it after completing our grammar portion. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Ruchi says that this is her house. Her is possessive adjective
Possessive adjective.
and his is possessive pronoun.
Possessive pronoun.
Again, her is possessive adjective, mine is possessive pronoun. Here, this is my toy. Mine is possessive adjective and his is possessive pronoun. Again, there is possessive adjective and here ours is possessive pronoun. I hope you all have done this exercise. And it's very easier. I hope you all can do this. Ara, can you do this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Move to the next one. The pronoun must agree to the number and gender with the noun for which it stands. Read these sentences. Jyoti is absent because she is ill. In this sentence, she stands for Jyoti. Jyoti is singular number and feminine gender. She is also of singular number, feminine gender. So she is of the same number and gender as Jyoti. Mrs. and Mr. Verma were happy because they bought a new house. Mrs. and Mr. Verma form a plural number. So they is used. Some more examples. I did not buy the dress because it was expensive. So here we are using it in place of dress. I did not buy the dresses because they were expensive. Here in place of dresses, we are using they because they are plural. The teacher is happy with Neetu because she is a good in studies. The teacher is happy with Tarun because he is. Now here we can understand the difference between he and she, feminine and masculine gender. We can see here. The student of class 5 are good in studies and the teacher praised them. Them is using for students in place of student. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. Mother bought some chocolates that are in the jar. So for chocolates, we have to use some word. In place of chocolate, we can use this pronoun they. Off your mic. Off your mic, Arha. They. These books are dash. Raman told Raj. These books are mine. I cannot believe that this piano is yours. Next, they blame the dash for their defeat. They blame